What's up? It's me, Anoushka Sharma, back here with another video, and obviously I'm very excited, as you guys can see. So yes, today's video is going to be get ready with me for a summer day, like summer proof makeup. How I do this, I will tell you guys. I tested this makeup, guys, and it stays on for a very long time, and I have really oily skin. So please use all of the products that I will be using because they work, guys. Trust me, they do. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, I've just used a headband to keep out of my hair at back, and now I'm just gonna use sunscreen because that is a very important step in summer. So please do that, guys. Now I will be using Infallible 24-hour the Loreal foundation, which I completely love, and I've just taken one pump of that on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna dot it all over my face. Like at the end, I'm gonna put on matte lipstick, so I'm just gonna moisturize my lips with this Baby Lips in the variant Berry Bomb. So right now I'm done with blending my foundation, and this looks a little bit light, but don't worry, guys. If you have ever put on Loreal Infallible, you know it oxidizes on your face, so this is okay, guys, don't worry. Now I'm not gonna bake my face. I'm just gonna take this powder, which is the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Compact. I don't buy the skin lightening part, but other than that, this foundation is good. That is it for the base, guys. My base is done, and now we're gonna move on to the eyes. So for my eyes, I'm gonna be using this Essence long-lasting eye pencil in the color Hot Chocolate. For summers, I like to put on brown eyeliner instead of black because black looks really harsh. So I was like, you know what, let's go with this brown eyeliner. I've just created like a very little and weird wing just to give a shape to my eyes. I just got my brows done, so I'm not gonna do anything else to this, guys. So since it's summers, I feel like I want to contour a little bit of my face. So I'm just gonna take this brush, which is like a contour kind of a brush. I'm just gonna take this contour shade. Very subtle. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Oh my god, I just did it way too subtly. But I don't want to do it a lot, guys. So this is what I'm gonna do for contouring. I'm just gonna highlight my face a little bit as well. Now on to my favorite step ever, guys, which is mascara. I have a new mascara today. This is the Colossal Big Volume Express Mascara from Maybelline. I'm just gonna curl my eyes, as you guys know the drill already. Yes, now that I'm done with my mascara, I will be putting on my lip shade, and that is pretty much it for my makeup, guys. I feel like I did a lot of steps, and now I'm just like, yeah, that's pretty much it for my makeup, guys. So yeah, the lipstick that I'm gonna put on today is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Lover. This looks a little bit bright. Oh my god, this looks so bright. So it does not look that bright in like my mirror. So I don't know why does it look so freaking bright on the screen. So guys, after all of your makeup is done, you should always use a makeup fixing spray, or you can make a makeup fixing spray as well. I have actually made a makeup fixing spray. If you want to check it, it will be here in the suggestions or in the links down below. Go check that video out. And yes, today I will be using Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Amazing Makeup Fixing Spray. I'm just gonna shake it and spritz it all over my face. yes guys, that is it for my hair. I don't feel like I'm gonna do anything. If I am feeling very hot, I'm just gonna put it up in a messy bun, and I have a messy bun tutorial. If you want to watch it, then here or in the links down below, go check that out as well guys. And basically this is my accessory for the day, and because I look really stupid when I wear them like this, so I'm just gonna keep it like this and take my bangs out. This is my hairstyle for the day guys. So yes guys, I will also be wearing this ring for accessories. I really like it, and if you guys want to ask me where I got this from, because a lot of you guys have been, I think my friend got it from Janpat and I stole it from my friend Sabya Dua. So if you're watching this girl, you're never getting this back. That is pretty much it guys. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have any other video requests, you can leave it in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys next week. Till then, take care. See you later, alligator. Bye.